Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. In today's video guys, we'll be making a very simple but yet delicious pepper soup recipe. If you'd like to see how I made this recipe, please continue watching. In a pot, I'll go ahead to add the proteins I'll be using for this recipe. I'm making use of two types of proteins in this recipe. You can basically make use of any protein of your choice. I'm using Abode and some cow kidney here. So I'll go ahead to add everything in the pot. I'll go ahead to season it. I'll season with some onion powder, some garlic powder, some seasoning. I'll season with some crayfish as well. Then I'll add water and start cooking. Once the proteins are about 80% done, I'll go ahead to add some pepper soup seasoning, some crayfish, some Scotch bonnet pepper, some more peppers, and I'll add some seasoning cubes as well. Then I'll stir well, then I'll go ahead to add more water. Remember, this is pepper soup. We actually need the water in this soup. So I'll add some more water and I'll go ahead to add the potatoes I'll be using for this recipe. I'll add the potatoes, then I'll cover and cook till everything is well tender and perfectly cooked. Once the proteins and the potatoes are perfectly cooked, I'll go ahead to add some basil leaf. You can add any green or vegetable of your choice. Then I'll allow to simmer for a minute, and here our pepper soup is well cooked and everything is done. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched to this very point, I do appreciate, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.